gonna walk this whole pond and just check it out a little spot at a time. Pepto Basmol. I'll throw that out there and see if these guys got the shits. Take care of that. All they gotta do is eat it. I think I found the fry. Got it. Oh yeah, that's a good bass. That is a good bass. Oh, you broke me off. I got her. I just got her. Still got my crankbait. See, it's totally broke off. Oh my God. I just got down in the water with her. Oh yeah. Oh shit. You get over here. Oh, look at that. Look at her. I knew there had to be one guarding that nest. There's so many fry down there. Let's get a selfie here. I'm fucking stoked. All right, girl. You're getting all fucked up. Let's get her back. Yes, let's go. Let's go. I gotta tie this guy back on. Be right back. Another one. I didn't have my camera on. Damn it. I seen some fry again. Cast right over in there. Okay. Oh, come on. Easy. Easy. You hold on, I'm gonna let you go. This fish just wants to stay on the hook. Put my pliers out. Hopefully they're in here. Here they are. Damn it. There she is. Second fish. Solid pound and a half, 2 pounds. It's a good fish. I'm stoked. They're finally starting to hit. Guarding their fry. Let's get her back. Let's get it. Let's get it. They do not like this bluegill. They're like, get off my nest, bro. Oh, sorry guys. Smashed into my camera there. That was the first cast in that hole. Usually, the one over there took like 4 or 5 swipes before I could get him to commit. That one there just said, get out of my freaking nest. It's amazing. crawl through some trees. So I saw some squirrels over here from the other side of this embankment here. I figure it's a hard spot for an angler to get to. It's probably a good spot for a bed. Found some more fry. Found some more fry. Try the boat ramp. You never know. Wish the sun would come out a little bit.